Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Today, we're talking about moving averages, a useful technique for smoothing out data trends. We'll show you how to do this with the SQL window function. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Here is an illustration of a moving average. In this chart, the red line is the 7-day moving average. A moving average calculates the average of a set number of rows, helping you see trends over time by reducing fluctuations. Moving averages help smooth out spikes and dips, making trends easier to spot. They're useful for tracking revenue trends, analyzing stock prices, forecasting demand, to name a few. Let's say you have a table named Sales, and there are two columns, sales date and amount. Here's the query to calculate a 7-day moving average. Average amount calculates the average of sales amounts over a specific range of rows. Over makes average amount into a window function, meaning it operates over a set of rows without collapsing them. The window function recalculates for each row, considering only a portion of the dataset. Order by sorts the data by sales date, ensuring that the moving average is calculated sequentially. Row 6 preceding defines a sliding window of 7 rows. For each row, the function includes data from the current row plus the previous 6 rows to compute the average. Need a longer-term trend? Just adjust the number of rows. A 30-day moving average uses 29 preceding rows, helping you see longer-term trends. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.